Today I'll be showing you guys how to change the cabin air filter on a Volkswagen vehicle. It'll be a similar process on most vehicles, but this is my 2015 Volkswagen Golf. So the cabin filter is located behind your glove box. So the first step is to unlock and open your glove box. And then inside the glove box, it's hard to see on camera, but there are two tabs on either side that hold the glove box in. So in order to pull the glove box down, you need to push these tabs in while pulling down on the glove box at the same time. Here you can see the two tabs that were held in by that tab there and that tab there on the left. And so there's a little track that holds the glove box in. And so all you need to do to gain access to this space a little better is pull it down just a little bit more. Don't worry about that noise. You can always feed the track back in there afterwards. And this box here is where the cabin air filter is. It's held in by 3 clips, 1, 2, and 3. And all you need to do is pull down and away on these clips to remove this cover to the cabin air filter. So here is the cover. Once you remove it, you just need to pull down on these 3 tabs so that you can get them out of their thing. And then this part pulls forward and pops out like that. And there is the old cabin air filter. As you notice, the airflow recommended is pointed down. So when you're putting your new air filter in, you want to make sure that the arrows are going the same direction. So you can just pull out the air filter now. And then put your new one in the same way that you took the old one out, making sure that the airflow is pointing down. And then you can replace this cover. Now once you have the cover back on, it's time to put the glove box back. So you can take the little arm here and feed it back in to its runner. Make sure that it's properly aligned, otherwise you can break that little piece there. And then you just push these past those clips. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.